Kweth mar Kenya Kwanza imakoro puodhi kaka kweth mathoth e od bura.
Speaker mar od bura Moses Wetangula olanda yanga ni Kenya Kwanza ni kod od bura mathoth ma kwan gi romo 179 ka Azimio la Umoja ni kod od bura 157.
Ileno mare Wetangula wacho ni nitiere duond buche ma oseramo ni gidar e Azimio la Umoja kendo mano nyiso ni koro Kenya Kwanza e mathoth kod od bura.
Lindo makamano koro nyiso ni Kimani Ichung'wa e jatend kweth mathoth e od bura ka Opiyo Wandayi en jatend kweth manok e od bura no.
That in my considered opinion, it would be imprudent to treat the 14 members elected to the House under the UDM, Pamoja African Alliance, Maendeleo Chap-Chap, and the Movement for Democracy and Growth, MDG, as part of a coalition that they have expressly distanced themselves from and their parties. I am therefore persuaded that the 14 members and their parties are part of the Kenya Kwanza coalition. This, in my view, would be fair and in accordance with the previous rulings by my predecessors on related matters. 3, that with the 14 members, the membership of the Kenya Kwanza coalition stands at 179 members, while the membership of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party stands at 157 members. This, by implication, indicates that the Kenya Kwanza coalition is the majority party, and the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party is the minority party in this House. 4, that the Kenya Kwanza coalition is entitled to appoint the leader of the majority party, while the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party is entitled to appoint the leader of the minority party.